Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. Today we are going to solve this equation. It states that form a differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants in the following. Here is A part, here is the B part, and here is the C part. So let's start with the A part. Y is equal to A exponential 3x plus B exponential x. So to find the differential equation of this equation, we have to find another term to represent A and another term to represent B. So this will be our equation 1. Then let's find the derivative of this equation, the y over the x. Derivative of this, since this is a constant, derivative of this exponential 3x is 3, then multiplied by A exponential 3x plus this one will be derivative of x1 exponential x. This will be our equation 2. Then let's find the second derivative, square y over the x squared. Second derivative is what? 3 again. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. A exponential 3x plus 1 times b is b exponential x. This will be our equation 3. So to solve this, we'll say equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1 is what? See it to be this minus this, so it will be the y over the x minus y equals to 3a, this one minus this one. This 3a exponential 3x minus this is what? Is 2a exponential 3x. Then this minus this is 0. So this is the answer. This will be our equation 4. So again, we will say equation 3 minus equation 2. So here is equation 3. So it will be this minus this, the square y over the x square minus y over the x. Then let's move up. Then to be 9 minus 3 is 6. 6a exponential 3x. Then this minus this is 0. So here will be 0. So here will be my equation 5. So now we will solve this equation 4 and 5 simultaneously. So to do this, I will multiply this equation 4 by 3, so that when this one is 3 times 2 is 6, 6 minus 6 will be 0. So let's multiply equation 4 times 3. So this times 3 is what? 3 the y over the x minus this 3 3y is equals to what? 6. This a exponential 3x. So this will be my equation 6. So now I will say equation 5 minus equation 6. So equation 5 minus equation 6. So I can remove this constant. So this minus this, let's do it. We get the square y over the x square minus 3. Okay, let's just write all this term and minus, write this minus, this one minus y over the x and minus this 3 dy over the x minus 3y equals, you see this minus this is 0, so equals 0. So let's open the bracket. The square y over the x square minus dy over the x minus 3 dy over the x plus 3y equals 0. Then we'll compute this. Negative 1 dy over the x, negative 3 dy over the x is negative 4. So we'll have the square y over the x square negative 4 dy over the x plus 3y equals 0. So here is my final answer. This is the final answer of the A part. So let's move to this B part. Y is equals to A exponential bx. So this will be our equation 1. Then we'll find the derivative of this. The y over the x equals what? B A exponential bx. This will be our equation 2. Then let's find the second derivative. Will be square A exponential bx. So in exponential functions, you differentiate the power and then you multiply it by everything. I've differentiated this power bx to get b and I've multiplied by the whole expression. Again, I differentiated the power of this exponent bx to get b and I multiplied by everything here. That gave me b squared. So now we will say that, so now I will substitute equation 1 into 2. So here y is this. So this is also y. So if I substitute it, I'll get the y over the x equals by. Since a exponential bx is y. I'll make b the subject of the formula. Then to be b equals 1 over y dy over the x. Be my equation 4. So let's analyze these equations. So what we will do is that we will substitute equation 4 into equation 3 so that this b will square it here, and then we'll substitute equation 1 into equation 3 also. So we'll make a double substitution into this equation 3. So all these terms will be a differential equation term. So substitute equation 4 and equation what? Equation 1 into equation 3. So here is the equation 3. So it will be the square y over the x square equals b square. What's my b? Is so you square it to be 1 over y, the y over the x square. So from equation 1, this whole expression a exponential bx is y. So we'll put y into it. Say y. So let's open the bracket. Square y over the x square equals, this will become the y square. If you square everything in this bracket, I will have the y over the x square, then 1 over y square outside. So we'll write it like this. We will say the y over the x square, then y over y square. Square y over the x square equals, this will become 1 over y. So this automatically becomes 1 over y, the y over the x square. And finally, we take all these terms to the other side, becomes the square y over the x square minus 1 over y, the y over the x square equals 0. So this is my final answer for part B. So here is part C. This will be our equation 1. We can also express this as y equals 5x plus c raised to the power of half, because this half, power of half is the same thing as the square root. So this is also another form of representing this and this are equal, are the same. So we'll differentiate this term, the y over the x. We'll use the function of a function differentiation to differentiate this term. So we'll differentiate the internal one. 5x plus c is 5 multiplied by the outside function. So it will become half minus 1 is negative half. So we did a derivative of the internal function multiplied by the derivative of the outside function. So here is it. Y over the x equals 5 over 2 x plus c negative half. So in the same form, in the same way, this function is the same thing as this 1 over 5x plus c half. So this function is the same thing as this. Hence, this will be our equation 2. So now we will substitute this equation 1 This one, this one is also 1. It's equal. So we'll substitute equation 1 into this equation 2. This 5x plus c raised to the power of half. We'll substitute it into it. So it will be substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So when we substitute it into it, we'll get the y over the x equals 5 over 2, 1 over what? Y, which is equals to 5 over 2y. So the y over the x is equal to 5 over 2y. Then if we rearrange it, the y over the x will become minus 5 over 2y equals 0. So this is my final answer for the C part. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.